Hello everyone. Today we make a portfolio. It's a very important when you go to any job or you are anyone ask you about what your qualification is first time he or she asks you tell me about your portfolio, give me your portfolio. I see this and hire you as a developer or as a marketer or anything else. So portfolio is very important. Today we discuss something about portfolio and make a awesome portfolio. It's a previous portfolio that we made so that we make a better than it. Okay, so get started. We start making for portfolio. It's a important. You first now I have just these files, okay, and simple fonts. I also provide these files to you, okay, on my Git repository. You just download it and use it. Firstly, we just create a new file, okay. Just its name, type its name like index.html. Fine. Then we start coding. Just close the browser and start working on that, okay. Just we create the basic structure of HTML content. Just type HTML, okay, then automatically HTML content show us, okay. So we start working by adding the some important information in it, okay. It's a head is an important part in which we type our headings, our meta tags, our title, our links to and who connect to another pages. First, we create a meta tags like viewport width, how this data display on mobile apps or others. So we create a device widths, their content, okay. Just if you understand, no problem, just follow me what I try to do. So okay, so we type here name equal to view, okay, viewport, and type the content like set its width equal to device width. It's a width of your browser or is a width, and it's width of browser. If you use on a mobile, then set according to mobile app. So type width, okay. Then then we set its initial width, okay. Then we set their initial scale. Then if we set width, then type comma and type initial scale equal to 1.0. It's an initial scale of while in which you render your website with meta tag. So we type also. If we see the output of this, firstly we do that we run it on a browser. Just we run it on a browser, okay. Just we run on the browser. Just click on this file .html5, open with other applications and click to select a Google, then display us on Google, okay. Just we I think wait for a minute that show us, okay. uh, no problem, wait a minute. I type just file, okay, and type documents, home documents, okay. Sorry, should say just open here. We see nothing show us because we not save anything here, okay. So page load on the browser. So we type other information, then see what the output show us, okay. So we start writing more in it, okay. So sorry, very small size. I think you see there. So okay, so we type a link. You seen there a link on this size. If you show any image here, then what you do I can tell you. Okay, so you do here, like you write just for link. Okay, then show you, then you type here just shortcut, then type icon. Okay, then type equal there, type like our type image slash c, oh sorry, png image. Okay, just select image here, my image in image folder. Then here I select image that I display on screen. Like what image is, I check it first. I think I display the image is okay. I just see the image what I show. What image I show, like favicon.png. Ha, yes, we just I think our image folder, we are on a main directory. Just type there this file, then type image, then we just type here favicon, sorry, favicon.png. Okay, just see the output, what we display. Nothing happened. What a problem. We just again see, just type 2 pass, see here again, nothing rendered. Okay, what a problem. I think I mistake the images, and just type single, because in a single folder. Just check. Okay, you see there, display a image like as my name is Sayyed, so I type my first name. Okay, so we create a next is type a title. You know is a title, you know, like I type my title, you type here your names, like I type Sayyed Kashif Naqvi. Okay, let's type web developer. Okay, just we type some instruction descriptions when any user search, then show our data. Just type meta tag, and nothing rendered. Name I type like description. Okay, in a content you just type I just create a simple, we just type add small description about yourself. Okay, I type my description like I am a web developer, just an example. Okay, you type yours instruction description. Okay, in next tab we type just few keywords. Okay, you type your skills, like my skills like React.js, JavaScript, Python, Django, and extra. You type yours if you have any. Okay, and for we add a one tag more to link with the CSS. We just not create yet a CSS file, so we can't do anything with it. Just type nothing, just the empty string. Okay, so we get start a work in a main content, in a body tag. It's a main where you write your code that display on the screen. Okay, so we just start typing. We just use a basic concept. If you if you work on very big projects, then you know what you do. Okay, you understand what you can try to do. So we use beam. Okay, it's a concept. You just type on a google it, type there, just right, type what. Okay, just we type here. Okay, then show you beam is block element modifier, is a methodology that help you to achieve reusable component and code sharing in the front end. Okay, you understand it is easily what you do, and any others users also understand what he tried to do. So okay, so we use a pure beam concept. Okay, firstly we just here write HTML, then we write CSS. Okay, just we create a HTML code first. HTML, what is HTML? Is basically used for creating the structure of website. If you're not familiar with structure of website, or if you not know what how you can create your structure, then you can't do anything with CSS. So firstly we create our structure, then go to CSS for designing or presentations. So firstly we type here a header. Okay, in a header we type a class of header. We, if you're not familiar with what class is, what ID is, just follow me. I tell you everything with a pace of time. You just follow me. Okay, role is very important. Every screen reader, if it's tell the, if any screen reader come, you easily understand what the functionality they perform. Okay, so we type a role is banner. So type banner, then type ID. What ID is top. Okay, it's a create our ID. If anyone click on header, or if anyone click any link that reference to header, that automatically come to the header file, header point. So we use ID. Okay, then we type div. Okay, div close, and here we create a class. Okay, type the name of the class row. Okay, is create a row in a navigation bar. So we create a navigation. Nav is a navigation, like you see, if you're a very beginner, then you see on a websites you show you some links on in the front. It's this links it is. So we type class. Okay, nav, then type role. The role of class is navigation. Okay, then in a navigation bar we type unordered list. It's unordered list that are displayed in the form of dots. Okay, if we type order list, then display the data in the form of 1 2 3 and other something, somewhere some also important tags are used to display something like information. So we follow the sequence of code. Nav, row in nav, and in nav just is a beam way. Okay, so if class, okay, in a class is a nav double co items. It's a nav items. Okay, okay, in a nav items we type here the list items. Okay, list item. In a list we create a class is a single, so we type nav item, just singular noun, not items. Okay, here in it we create a anchor tag. It's an anchor we use for linking from one page to another, or it's a simple linking up pages or reference up pages. We type here just simple, we type, if anyone click on that, like type work, very soon we attach this with id. You just follow my tutorial, follow me, you understand everything. It's a very important, you made this more and then one, then you understand everything. So we type here the class is type nav. Okay, it's a link, we type a nav link. Okay, we type copy it. How many links we require? We require a work link, we require about contact. Okay, and one more, just type here is, it's a work. Okay, it's a work. Then next is our, I think we type a client. How many clients are Mia? Then type about me. Okay, then I type contact. I think you understand everything else. Okay, just then we also type, change the links here. It's a work. Okay, it's a client, so we type here clients. What is about, then we type here about. What is it? It's a contact, so I would type a contact. Okay, just we see, just we have created a simple nav. We see what a result display on the screen. We see that refresh the page. We just see, if I click I, then show me this. If I click on contact, then this everything worked fine. Back to the code. Okay, then we create a one more div. Okay, so in this div we type a text here. Okay, like class, we type header. Okay, header text box. Okay, we also create this in a row. Okay, we type here div, one more div. I assume that you know already some basic CSS or HTML. So class, okay, I think we write header text box and we type the header. Okay, I think header text is a better name. Okay, we type a header text, then we type a h1 tag. Okay, in h1 tag, we first write a class name. Class name we type heading. It's a heading, HEDING, heading. Here primary. Okay, in it we style a span. Span is inline element. Okay, you know what is the difference between span and div? Div is a block level element and span is inline element. We type a paragraph in a div, but we cannot type a many paragraph in a span tag because it's inline element. Okay, so that we type just one thing here. Just I type my name, Sayyid Kashif Nakvi. Okay, so that we create h1 tag and also type some more information like simple type. I think I type some paragraph here. After h1 we type a paragraph. Okay, in a type developer. Okay, based in Lahore, Pakistan. Okay, then we create a simple header. Okay, just see the output. Okay, you see Said Kashno create web development in Lahore. Show us. That's good. Our header section is complete. So we create our main content with the main tag. Okay. We also type a role here. What a role of this? It's a main content of site. Oh sorry, it's a main. So we type here our work section. What we can do. So we type another section here. So section. I use Atom. You use any text editor that you like. Like if your window, if you have no text editor, you just use a notepad, then also works for you. Or you use Sublime Text, or you use VS Code, Visual Studio Code, or Atom. It's nothing. It's not a matter. Just type a code and display on a browser. I will type section. Okay. In a section, I have class type work. Okay, same thing. When anyone click on any link, then come to this link work. Okay, target by ID. If anyone that we create on above, like if anyone click on I type word, it's a work. Sorry, if anyone click on work, then automatically come to this point, because this ID can target to the hyperlink, f reference link. Okay, so we type here some information about your work. So we type here I type div our information. Okay, we type here so class. Okay, we type the class row. In a section we create a row. Our work in display in a row. Okay, in a horizontal way. We type here h2, because it's our work. Either type my work. Okay, then I type create a new div. Okay, in a new div I type a class here. Like we create our work box. Type work. Okay, our work box. Here we type our work. Okay, then we type one more div. Above is our box. Then here we type our work text, like our work. Okay, work text. In here we type work text. We type. I just type here portfolio. Okay. A portfolio for everyone. For portfolio, just I type portfolio. Then type here. Okay, a free open source portfolio. Fine. Then below we click on type in here, we type another list. So another list, we type here class work list. Here we type li. Here we type just type 2 3 4, just few skills we write here. If you have more, then you type more. I just give you his example. JavaScript. Okay. After an order list, we create our work links. Okay. Sorry, we type our work links here. We create a one div more, in which we just type, I think, class work and okay, work links, our links here. Okay, so that we type here reference of our project, like I type anchor a. Okay, here type reference here. My project is, I see my portfolio previous is kashif.search.sh. So I come here back and link to this portfolio. If you have any, then link, otherwise no problem. Then we type here a class, our class name is, if we link to, if anyone click on this, then open to the new tab, then we use here the keyword target blank, target type a blank. Okay, then here type link. Okay, it's based on link, I link text. Okay, oh, and type something here. Okay, in which I type here. Okay, in which I type like visit. Okay, site, type span. Okay, span. Here I type and semicolon. Here type R, arrow, for arrow, ARR. Okay, just save it and check the what output exactly is. Okay, that's awesome. You see here, just a beautiful arrow show us, and also the link. If I click on that link, then display to my site. Okay, just go back again, then type here more code. Okay, I just close this, we not need to open there, so I just small size some. You and I think you see what going on. Just okay, wizard side, then I type one more link, like so. I think I copy this. Okay, I just type my link of portfolio, git repo, then same type everything here, then we type here in it a image. What image type is? It's a simple image. We type in it. Also we type here on a anchor element I think we type title. If anyone click or mouse over on it, then show a title. Like so, we type I think title for some sorry is a title. We type source code. Okay, this was already type a target blank. Then here we type some data. Okay, we type here a one, like we remove this, we not need. Okay, we just remove and type the image src equal to dot slash images backslash github dot svg. Just see browser. Okay, nothing happened. What a problem is images slash github dot svg. What a problem is, okay, I think this is a problem. Type double code also and type a single code also. Refresh page. Okay, then you see the git display on the screen. Okay, so we type there our links also. Okay, then our some work done yet, so we made our work image box. Okay, our work image box create here. We type here class first, work image box. Okay, work image box, and in it type image. Okay, and type source equal to dot slash images. Okay, backslash I think we type here our some information. Type here projects images, project 1.png. I think it's in class work images. I think image class name. Okay, and just I check what a more, if what I write here more, I think okay, we type also alt. If not image show, then show us this text. Okay, then sorry to say for the mistake. We back to our work. So we type here. Okay, just see on the screen what the output is. Okay, data awesome stuff. Okay, I change, I think name is this. Okay, check again the inner result tag. Okay, then information show me. Then here we show the image. Okay, we show the image, then the div, one div is done, this also the done, because this div represent this represent this underneath this is a row. It's this div, this div display that work, and it's this div exists, that is with this, and this div, one div is back only. So when we done two divs, okay, then we create, okay, we create a one more here. We create here, we create a div, new div here. Okay, in this div we just type a new div, in this we write class, okay, workbox, okay, then in which we type a new div, okay, in this div we also type a class like work text, okay, in which we type h3. It's mean h1 heading is very big and less than h1 to h2, then h3 is small than h2, okay, it's decreasing way. Okay, I type here like calculator project, okay, calculator, okay, project. In a calculator project, okay, I type you type here your description. I type just this, I create this calculator, I create this calculator, okay, fine. Then paragraph is close. Then after a paragraph we create another list. In another list we type our skills here, what are skills needed to create this class. We type work list, okay, in a work list we just create a list item. I think we use it in React, Next.js, Node and MongoDB. So we create a 4 list items. In a first we write a React, then we type Next.js, then we type here Node.js, then we type here MongoDB, okay. Sorry, spelling mistake. MongoDB. I think you enjoy by seeing this tutorial. Okay, so after node list, we create a one more div for workbox, work links, or for where our links are mentioned. We create here, okay, type a class name. Our class name is related to work, so we type work links, okay, I think links, okay. In a work links we type one anchor element, we just type href, nothing, we type your links, okay. Then type a class, write link text, okay. Then in a link text I type just visit site span, okay. in a span I write and semicolon and RAR. Okay, then in the next I type here anchor element, not link to any page or any web browser link, so we just type hash or a pound sign. src equal to just link to the page dot slash images backslash github dot svg. Svg is scalable vector graphics. If you learn about, I also tell you everything about scalable vector graphics because I work already in d3.js is a JavaScript framework, do very well design, so I tell you if you can. Okay, just we type svg double quote. What a mistake is, it's a why blank show me this image. Okay, dot slash image github. Okay, okay. Oh, sorry. Two times I write. This is a mistake. Okay, then type here the class type like work. Okay, what I write work. Okay, work code. Okay, title. Oh, title is not that. Title view source code. Okay, alt if data not show, then show alt. Type github. Okay, we type here code. Okay, then go. We also type some links here. We type here the wizard site. Okay, then we type our project links here, what our project it is. So we just use div here, back to this. Okay, I think we create our this div, we create a new class, new div. Okay, in this way just a class work, I think workbox. No, we I think we okay, we create a work image require image box, our work image box. Okay, in our work image box, we type image. Okay, and we type a source. Okay, dot slash images backslash project. Okay, link class image. Okay, we just check here the result is, we type also the alt, if the image not show then show. Okay, show us a calculator. Okay, just go back to this point. We just copy this div because we require the same one more project here. We just copy from, I think, row. It's our workbox. Okay, just copy this. Okay, I think it's better we write again the same thing also. You give more practice. Div in div we type a class work. So workbox. In a workbox we type div. In a div we type a class work text. In a div we type a work text. We type just h3 notifier file. Okay, file getter, notifier getter. Okay, and the same thing, you type your description. Just I type I grade it. Okay, then after this we type the same under list missing feature. Okay, we type just a order list. Okay, in order list we type a class, its name is the work list. Okay, in a work list we create a for li list items, in which we also use, we just copy above this files. Okay, we use same things here also. Okay, after div we also need a link. Same here, I just copy here also. Okay, after div I post here. Okay, I post here the links also. Okay, then we after two divs we create a new image box. I think we just copy for image box this. Okay, then paste here. Okay, okay, I think I forgot to add it into the main wrapper of boxes, so I add this. Okay, this is a workbox 1, it's a workbox 2, it's a main row. Okay, I just add after my work a new div class to wrap all boxes in a single container. I type here div close. Okay, here I type here class work boxes. Okay, it's our work boxes. I just cut here and paste here. Okay, just show me it's a work boxes. I just show there, and this is a work boxes, and this is a row. Okay, I think our work done yet. Our section is done. I just see the output, refresh the page and see what it is. I just show me this content and something like this. What I type now, I type just same as a calculator again. Oh, sorry to say, I don't change the image to the new path, so I type here. I think maybe save the project 3. Just check it. Okay, then show us the project 3. Okay, then we back to from section. Okay, section is done, so we create our clients. What our clients is, we create our clients here in a main. Underneath main, we create I type, we create our clients. I write here clients. Okay, you understand easily. So in a clients we create first a section tag. Okay, section close. Okay, in a section what a role is, we also not needed to create a role type. Clients id, oh sorry, id equal to clients. Okay, then we type here div. In a div we type here class name is row, horizontally show our clients. Okay, add the images. First we create the heading to display what this link display you client. Okay, first letter capital. After h2 we type a div tag. In a div tag I type here a class client underscore logos. Okay, in a logos I just type the images what I have. I now the names right, source. I think we just add a class first, then copy many times. Client, I think client logo, it's a singular. Okay, our client's name, then we just copy it, I think so, many times. Many companies name we type here just I think alt company. Okay, you type many companies I type here. Okay, I think it's company one. It's a very simple. We type company 2. I think E not used in a company. Maybe I'm wrong. Company. Okay, I'm good. Not use company. First letter capital. We just copy this several times. Okay. Just select type, Control D, then select all. Okay, just type here source then oh sorry, it's a source. Okay, then display your source here. You type the source where your data located. My data located in images folder slash type Ron Jones Jones.png. I think it's a valid name. Yes, I mean image backslash in the type golden grid. Okay, you type your clients. Okay, type images slash type here say dot png. Okay, dot slash we type images backslash mighty furniture.png. Here type a company 2, company 3, there type a company 4. Okay, we just type a some companies, not a more than images slash fast. Okay, fastland.png. Then type company 5. Just I write only one company more. Okay, I type like dot slash images backslash gp.png. Okay, not need to write more than 6. Save this, then check the output. Okay, company 2, company 4 and company 5 no display. What a problem. I think we mistake the spelling. I think no display company 2, 4, 5. Why no display 2? Golden dot image golden dot slash images. Oh sorry, images. I think images here also. Okay, let's check again one more time. Company 5 only no display. Company 5 19 dot slash images backslash chippy dot png chippy.png. I think spelling is well. Oh sorry, I think 5 is not display. Company 5 there. Images slash fastland sorry land right first for mistake. Okay, our client displayed, that's good. So we move further. Okay, so we create our about us. Okay, we create about us. I create one section more. I just type here about me. Okay, I think I did. First type section. Okay, in a section I type a class about. Okay, id equal to about. Type div In a class we type a row. In a row I type a h2. Sorry, I type h2. I just drinking the water. Okay, in it we type about me, and we create a new div more about to type our content here. You type your content. Okay, I just use a random text here about content. Okay, about underscore content, in which I type just a new div. New div. I type in class. We type the about the text. Okay. I type just a random paragraph. Search on internet. Okay. Lauren. Okay. Just show me this. I click on this. I just display this. I copy this and paste to my contents. You just type your paragraph if you have any, your information, what you are, what you know. Okay, I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Django, and so I type here. Okay, then you type your text. I type my text, like I just copy from my portfolio and just type. Okay, you type yours if you have any, and we create a video anchor element for linking. Href nothing, just a pound sign right here. Okay, and there we type. Okay, we create a button, type btn. Okay, my resume, you link from Google your resume to a Google Drive. Anyone click on that, then display your CV. Okay, so that your resume. So we create a about photo container. Okay, your photo container you have. I create my own about photo. Okay, container, photo container, TAINER. Okay, about photo container. Okay, in which I type image. In the image I type a class name. Class is about photo. Type the path src. Okay, dot slash images, then file dot jpeg. Just check the output. Sorry. Okay, then display this image. Okay, we change this very soon. Okay, that's good. So back to the code. Image is shown us, then we type more, we close in content done. That's great. We come to contact section. Okay, in the contact section we create a new one div more section. Okay, class is contact. Okay, then type id is contact. Okay, then here we type a div. We create a horizontal row here. Row. In a row we create a heading to the h2 with get in touch. Sorry to say. Okay, get in touch, and there we type some text. Class first contact. Okay, info. Okay, I just copy any text from internet, or just I type from my portfolio. Okay, just I go to my portfolio here and just copy my, I think what I copy here, I just copy, I think so, I just copy this. Okay, let's type here paragraph. In a paragraph I type here okay, then after this we type our email, link to href, type mail to, it's optional, it's used for mailing anyone else. I just type mail to, automatically write this. I type here my name, mail to, I say Nakvisha, my email ID 582@gmail.com. Okay, we do Nakvisha582@gmail.com. I think my email me fine. Okay, that's good. So we see our section of contact also done. So our last section is footer, then we move forward to styling. Okay, so I just type a comment here, control backslash, using control backslash, then work for you. Okay, so sorry for that. Footer, in a footer I type footer. Okay, in a footer I type a role is I think content info. Okay, class is a footer. In a footer I just type a horizontal row. In this row I type class row. Okay, in this row I create some links. Okay, our social links. I think another list. Another list. Okay, I type here the class footer. Okay, social, social, social links. Okay, just in here. Our class is footer. Social. Okay, social link. Okay, item. Social link. We type here your footer underscore social dash link dash item, then in between list item we type image that we have already saved in an image folder. Src equal to /images slash what one name of image, I think so. Okay, image name is Twitter dot svg. Okay, Twitter dot svg, and our class. Okay, then we also create a class. Class name is footer social CIAL social 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 IMG image. Okay, alt Twitter. Okay, we also create a link on it. Okay, in a link we paste it, and in a link we just create a footer. I think we link to first of our my Twitter account. Okay, we just link to the Twitter profile. My Twitter profile is in Twitter /Nakvisha. Okay, back to this, and here I type Nakvisha this. Okay, then it's a Twitter account show me. I just see show anything else. I just see, and at the end I think Twitter, yes, show me this. It's a very big, no problem. We fix it using CSS soon. I just copy it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and just sorry, I copy not a full list. I copy this full. Okay, list with list item 2, 3, and 4. The second link I created, I think the GitHub. Okay, it's a type as GitHub github.svg. I type my GitHub account address is, I check here I'll type git slash this github address here. I type here. Okay, and type the github git github file. Then I type here okay, our code pen link. Either there we type code pen dot svg. Okay, then here also we just first copy the code pen URL. Okay, then paste here my code pen URL. Then here I type my LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn Kashi. Okay, there I just okay there. Okay, sorry, there I type GitHub. Here we type code pen. Okay, this is our code pen here. Great. Then after this, in the last we LinkedIn used our LinkedIn link. We type here LinkedIn, save that and just see, check the result. Work for us. Okay, that's good. That's good. Working everything correctly. I think we just okay. Just we type here. I think we're good. We also type here some JavaScript URLs. Okay, our footer is done yet. Approximately footer is done yet. We write, I think we write first furthermore a copyright. Just we write in a footer, write and copy. Okay, 2020. Okay, then here after a footer we just create some link like back to top. If anyone click on that arrow, then back to top. Okay, like we just create a anchor element. In an anchor element I type href. In href I type hash top. Okay, type class equal to back dash to dash top. Okay, title equal to basically back to top. Okay, then this link, in a link we create an image. Set the path here, like what a path, images folder. I think images, so they're not a single quote also. If you use double quote if you double quote and use single quote, then the image not working properly. Okay, arrow, load SVG, alt, back to top, and we type a class what item, back to top, let's go image. Okay, just and also okay, that's good, our CSS done. So we also had we not created a script. When we create, we use some of JavaScript, very basic. Okay, so we move forward to the styling section. Okay, we move forward to for styling. We create a new file, name is style.css. CSS file not working. Firstly, we link this file to the HTML page. Okay, type just style dot CSS. I think this way, not need, just style dot CSS. Okay, then come to the style dot CSS. Okay, we just the basic setup. We write here, we use a comment in CSS this way. Okay, it's a multi-line comment. Okay, we just designing this, copy this more time there. Okay, there, here we just copy more, then type here just basic setup. Okay, just a basic setup. We just create a font, add a red font face. Okay, in a font face we create a font family. It's a what type of text display on a screen. It's a font family. Okay, we create HK. Okay, HK, then use grotesque. Okay, then type a semicolon here, then after font size normal. After that we font weight mean it's a bold, simple, lighter, normal. Okay, and we set it also how many, big or small. I set 400. Okay, we also type the source. Where's the source is, we also have these files. Okay, we and HK this is used for, so we type here /fonts. Okay, backslash, just rename this. Okay, so yeah, okay, just rename this. Okay, just copy here, then paste here because sometimes spelling mistake. Okay, then after this I type format. I type the format. WOF is a format name. Okay, that's good. I type again this, the same copy of this, Then here I type Jost, it is second found Jost. Okay, normal 400. I just copy. I think it's okay. Just here type Jost dash regular dash TTF format WOF. Okay, then use a universal selector to remove all paddings, all margins, and add box sizing to inherit to the page. Okay, box sizing have content box and border box. Border box are used to add a border, but content box cannot be used to add a borders like so we use a static, use a universal selector. If we change anything from there, then no one can replace this text. Okay, so it's a basic styling. All the styling from the browser remove if we type the universal selector. Margin 0. Okay, padding also 0, and type box sizing inherit. Okay, then we use make a root pseudo class to reuse our variables without any problem. Okay, just firstly see what display on the screen, any change. Okay, that you see the found changed. Okay, firstly just we see this a work for us or not. If I type body background, I type red semicolon, type red. Awesome, that works. Okay, text fonts changed, so we create a root pseudo class in which we fix some font size and reuse in our different variables. We type font size if small the font dash size dash small, then display 1.8 rem. Okay, if font size normal, then display 2.2 rem. Okay, it's like a pixel, it's greater than pixel. Font size, if a font size medium, then use 2.8 rem. If font size large, if the font size, I think maybe I type medium 1, mean one more, 3.6 rem. Large, if large, then 5.5 rem. Okay, if font size huge, then 7.5 rem. Okay, if font font stack, if we type font and then HK grossed grotesque or comma sans serif. Sans okay, we type as line height normal, then line height normal 1.7, line height when normal is small, small, small 1.2, BLAC black, then display 30. If ping hash double F 30 yeah 20 58 okay but 32 pink okay, and if white then display like F0 E9 and darker okay, this is okay, then if dash white 1 then display hash E5 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 E6 E5 sorry E5 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 E6 DA. It's a long I think. E5 E5 okay, it's also okay. We also type some information more like when user type container max width and 1180 okay. I think container used many times, so copy there. Container normal width container normal width 700 800 so 800 and medium width 700 pixel, small width 500 pixel okay. We create this because we reuse this many times in CSS okay. Then we use getters. Getter are used for creating spacing between tracks okay. We also use for grid layouts like grid gap okay. So we use getter use borrow RAM 12 RAM sorry it's a semicolon not colon not a semicolon. Let's copy many times okay. For a medium 6 RAM okay. For normal 3 RAM small. Okay, in a small 2.5 mm, small, small 1. Okay, in a small, I think we just type a 2 run. It's a small one, and in a small we just 2 run. Okay, we also create a getter data used for creating a spacing between a content of the track. Okay, then we also add one thing more is a border light 1 pixel, solid RGB like 36 35 okay, then okay, our basic setup done. We also create some basic setup of HTML sizing by HTML. Okay, font size 62%, 62.5%. Okay, and box sizing, border box. Okay, scroll behavior eyes type smooth. Okay, we also add a media query. Media query is basically used when you make a responsive designs. Then we use media queries. When you use a mobile, then display different, and when you use tablet, then the display different. So we use media queries for set width or height or anything else. So we use write media. Okay, type just a media and use a braces. Here type max width if 1000, then HTML font size is 52%. Okay, then we type the body. We just reuse the root pseudo class elements again and again. Type body. Okay, font size, we just use a var variable. Variable are used for targeting anything that is we created in our root element. Font size small, or anywhere you create, then you target using variable. Font size small, then our font size is small. That's check first. Okay, 8. Font size small, then type font family. Font family is var font stack. Okay, font stack. Type a semicolon there. Type font weight 400. Okay, color for type dash white 1. Okay, color white 1, then color white 1, then line height var line Okay, type line and there height. Okay, dash normal, line height normal, and just type a semicolon there. Background. Okay, bar, sorry, bar, black. Okay, over just type here a semicolon. Overflow X is a hidden. Okay, hidden. Okay, and then we create a row. In a row we could also write the width, row max width, row container dash max width. Okay, container max width. We already created container. Oh yeah, container max width. Okay, container max width, semicolon, then margin 0 and auto. After this we create some media here, add the rate media, add the rate media, we just also type here max width 1240. Okay, and max width 1340 first of all. Okay, we if width is, I say 1340, then the row size is max width, then max width is 1100 pixel. Okay, then after this add the rate media, if media 12 or 1340, just copy the above many times, use maybe 1-2 times more. If 1340, the next, if at 1240, then I just type here the padding 0, then var dash get medium. Okay, and then third time if 600, then I just go there. Okay, just paste here. 0 is a normal, and normal. Okay, and copy one time more, just so to say this it's a basic media queries. Okay, I think you understand. Padding 0. Okay, in this getter. Okay, small. Okay, so next we create a heading. Okay, heading and paragraph. Just see what going on. Okay, okay, everything look great. The black color display. Okay, just we type the headings, target the headings h1, h2 and h3. Okay, this is a selector that is used to target three selectors. Okay, then change their font family, font width, maybe line height and color. So we change first a font family. Okay, font family is Jost, and if not Jost, then sans serif apply. Okay, then to say font weight, I type 400. Sorry, 400. Okay, after font weight line height. Line height is var dash dash line height small. Okay, dash dash line height small. Okay, and also we type a color. We type var. Okay, we type the white, that above is white. Okay, fine. We also add a semicolon here. Okay, done. It's a h2. Then we type HEAD heading. Okay, heading. We are primary. Our heading primary that we create in HTML, where line height 1. Okay, font size var font size there huge. I think we font size huge. Okay, then font weight 400. Check what I'm looking on. Okay, good. Heading. After heading, we also add a media query for primary this. Okay, I think I type media. Okay, query in query. Max width equal to colon 900. In this we type HEAD heading. Heading primary. Heading primary font size 6.5 RAM. Okay, then type H2. In H2 we type the font size var dash dash font size large. This can overcome or replace the above size into the new size. Okay, font size var font size large. Okay, margin semicolon mistake, margin bottom var small. Okay, then also add the media queries about that. Okay, we also add the media queries of this. If add the media, if we type the query, type max width. Okay, if max width 500 pixel. Okay, then heading primary. In a heading primary we type font size var font size large. Okay, large. Then we copy this one time more maybe. There we type just h2 font size var font size medium medium 1 are available here. Okay, then h3 font size just medium. Okay, after doing this we type the p tag, type the margin var getter small -1 add the rate, also add the media query about. Okay, type the media is a max width when equal to 900 pixel, then the p max width. Okay, max width show me var dash dash container dash small dash width. Okay, I not use a semicolon there. Sorry for that mistake. Okay, then this work also done. We just see what output is. Okay, that's good. Now we target the next section. Okay, we also type more code here. We target now links. Okay, and buttons. Our next links and buttons. Okay, we just type color white. Okay, font weight 400. Okay, then font family Jost or sans serif. Then type transition all dot 2 second. Then outline 2 pixel, solid transparent transparent transparent. I think 2 pixel transparent sorry, transparent. Okay, I use for Moz browser, Mozilla browser. Focus inner. Okay, we type here just border 0. Okay, we just great style. We also I also add some CSS for store, saving your my times. Okay, you say font family, I just revise this. Okay, then URLs, then face font family, Jost font style normal font weight this. Okay, then Jost and then root sections and this HTML, this is a body, this row, this is a media query that I tell you everything else. This is a heading tag, this is the h2. Okay, this is a paragraph, and this you see font family. You see just see this how this work. User is tabling button focus. Okay, if no tabling then outline none display. Link hover color this. Okay, then btn focus, btn after quote, after this btn this. Okay, then display the link text after, link text focus, link text hover, link text pan, link back to top. Okay, I think we use some JavaScript also for fix that problems, but I think that's enough for you. If you understand everything, then it's easy to understand you. Okay, it's my basic CSS. Okay, I think if we also add some JavaScript, I just save the page, you see the code, refresh the page. Okay, you see if the click then display there. If the client, this is our clients. Okay, if we click on contact, then go to the contact page. Okay, this our profiles, okay, then it's a work for you. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay, then you see the functionality. Okay, you see it's a very important. You just override this. I also in the next video I tell you how to online this. Okay, for a time. Thanks for watching. Khuda. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Khuda. Bye bye.